Hi everyone, welcome to Crack SAP new video. I hope everyone is doing good. Many videos I have uploaded in my Crack SAP watch and enjoy, and a lot of interesting videos I have uploaded. And now I'm going with Accrual, and whereas month-end process, which month-end and year-end process you will see in the finance. So how we are going to create the Accrual and then reverse in the next month of first day of the next month. So let us see. Let us go ahead with the posting, and that is our FBS1 or Accrual. And now the Accrual posting will be 31st October 2022. The document type I am using is SA and my company code, and this is a posting date here. So I'll make it the header one, and reversal will be date will be 1st November 2022. Now it will be debit to the my expenses, whereas expenses will be, so why we are doing this one, because of some fixed expenses are going to come in this October month, but still we have not received, but it will going to come in the next month. But we don't want to put expenses to be in the next month, so we need to be take it as a provisional for this current month, and the same will be reversed in the next month of first day, and the actual post will be going to done in the November itself. So that automatically the finance will be taken care. Now I'll make it a GL account for the expenses. Expenses GL is this one, and I'm hitting enter. Now I'll make it a 15,000 rupees in my expenses, which will going to come, and this is an G0 is in my tax code, and 1026 in my cost center here. And now this is an expenses for text I have written is the accrual for the month of October 22, and now credit to the balance sheet account, which is called as a provisional account. Now I'm hitting enter here. So this is asking me the provision enter 15,000. Now we can make it a text will be replicated, and now go to simulation. So now what is the meaning of this one is that this is an expenses which is October we have booked here, and then in the next month we will going to reverse here. If you see here with the reversal date, so this is a 1st of November we are going to reverse, and the posting will be done in the October. The October posting will be reversed in 1st of November. It means next month of first day. So this is what the actual, and the liability we will take it, and then it will be reversed to the balance sheet account. This is a provision account, is a balance sheet account, and this is an expenses account. Now we are going for the save here. So this is a 117 is a saved. Now we are going with the, let us go to FBL 3N, and now we are going for the, here I can see, sorry, let us see for the both GL account and how it is accounting has been done. Now I'm going with the 31st October, which I have posted for the expenses. If you see here, this is a 117 which document has been displayed. I was displayed the accounting number. This is a display accounting number. This is the document number. This is the expenses account. That is a provision which is balance sheet account. This is credit to the balance sheet account and debit to the expenses account. So which will going to reverse in next. So let us exit here. Now I am going with the reversal of next. I am going with the reversal. F-81 is an AT code for reversal of the accrual, and now here it is. I am going to give 1810 company code. If you know the document, only you can particular document, or else you can leave it the document number. And what is your planned one? So 1st November I'll take it. I'll take mark in next. I remove this tick mark and I'll execute here. This is the document which you can see here, 117. So I'll tick this one with the reversal document. The the process has been completed. It means it has been reversed. If I go with the once again in the document, you'll get the no list generated here. I hope. Thanks for watching, and I hope you will be watching continue with my channel Crack SAP, and subscribe and like it. Thanks for watching.